Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'll be making pancakes. So let's get started. First we need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So 1 cup. So 1. So all of it comes out. Yeah, that's good. Half. The next thing is 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So my baking powder, and then I've got to get to the small ones. So 3 ones and then a half. Okay, that's 1. Okay, 2. Yeah, half, and then. Okay, next is 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Yep, perfect. 1 tablespoon of white sugar. So my white sugar. That's a lot of sugar. 1.25 cups of milk, and I'm pouring it in. 3 tablespoons of butter. We've already measured our butter, so now we can just dump it in. Now whisk, whisk, whisk until nice and smooth. Let me taste if it needs more sugar. Added sugar. Okay, time to fry your pancakes.
Thanks for watching.